Hi everyone, welcome to hashtag Mandala Mondays 2025. This is an open collaboration. It is hosted by M Beams Color with Me. I'm not sure why my sound is sounding fuzzy, sorry. Anyway, I did a page out of the book we're using actually for 52 Weeks of Color Inspiration, relaxation book, and because it does have some mandalas in, which this one is not one that we picked to do on our joint days, so I thought I was safe. And I used a total of 3 Ohuhu markers. They were B080, Princess Blue, V210, Signal Violet, and G050, Celadon Green. This was not part of the 3 marker challenge that I know is out there too. I don't usually do that, but I thought I would keep it simple this time, and I love how it turned out um, in the green, purple, and pretty blue. And I love peacock colors, so that's kind of, I've done a peacock mandala before, but this one's not specifically peacock. I still love the colors. So I hope you enjoy, and I will see you again in the next collab. Hugs, love, and peace. Bye for now.